Hello movers and shakers, how you guys doing? Welcome to another episode from the 7-Figure Moving Academy. Today we're going to talk about booming and expanding and making your company very well known and getting a lot of leads through YouTube. YouTube is an amazing resource for you guys to use for your business, so that you guys can actually expand and get a lot of leads. I'm actually going to show you my channel plus a couple other guys' channel, and then we're going to discuss why it's so powerful. So guys, stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm Jay Burnham, and this is the 7-Figure Moving Academy. Thank you very much for coming here. If you're not yet subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so you're informed when we do a new video like this. Okay guys, today we're going to be talking about YouTube. You're on YouTube right now, most likely, watching this video, and that is awesome. It gives me, you guys probably learned from everything I've seen from all the comments. You guys are like really learning a lot. Well, guess what? You can use the power of YouTube to really forward your business if you do it right way. Now, the thing about YouTube is giving content that the customer wants to see and hear, right? So what does that mean? Well, you want to give a content that answers the frequently asked questions, like how much do movers charge? How much does it cost to move from point A to point B? Is there hidden fees? How much? What is insurance and licensing insurance means? Things like this. But you also want to mix it up, and I'm going to show you somebody who does this really, really well. You want to mix it up. You want to do some vlog styles. You want to do some, testimonials. You want to do, things that behind the scenes kind of videos. When you do this and you do this kind of campaign and you marry it up with your how-to videos and your tutorial type videos, you're really going to boom and really create an influencer. You're going to become an influencer, and people will come to your moving company or any company because of your YouTube videos. So let me get into it. Let me knock myself down here a little bit, and we're going to knock me down there. Okay, now you see here is my desktop. I'm going to go to my channel. Here's the the dashboard, the back end of my You Say Moving and Storage channel. You can see it right here. We'll go to my channel here in a moment, but here's some of the videos that we have. If I click over here to the video manager, you could see some of the videos that I have up. It's going a little slow because we're recording, so I apologize. But we got 2 pages of videos, and if I scroll down, you can see some of the videos that we do. Right, we got my welcome, and I got all these tutorial type videos. And I've got these things right here. They're called thumbnails. A thumbnail is very, very important. Also, your title of your YouTube video needs to be something that people are looking at. So when you go on to Google, right? Let's just go over there. Let's say somebody's on Google. They're going to search for the best movers in Texas. I just threw that out of my butt there. Okay, good. So what's going to happen? They're going to come down here, and they're going to go good. So they're going to see Texas best movers, best movers Dallas, A1 good, and so on and so forth. But here's a neat little thing to help you with your titling of your videos. You can say expert Dallas movers. You can do a video called expert Dallas movers. You can do Texas best movers in Mesquite, Texas, if you're in or around, or if you operate in that area, right? So on and so forth. But here's another way you can figure out good titles for your videos, which are going to get you a lot of views, right? Just go up here, and what is one of the questions that what is one of the questions that somebody asks you? Well, they're going to probably ask, how much do, well, if I could spell here, how much do movers cost? Right here, you can see, here's some choices when you write up, and Google's already anticipating some of the responses. How much do movers get tipped? That was a good video. How much do movers charge an hour? How much do movers charge to pack? These are all videos you guys could be doing. How cost per hour? How much do movers cost? These are all good titles that you could be using, right? And you're not worried really too much about, right? You're not really worried so much about how many views they get. You just want to make the video, right? Don't worry about, oh, does it get a lot of views and so on and so forth. If you get one view a month, great. But here's the thing. They go to your video, then you have them go to somebody else, then you have them go to the next video and the next video and so on and so forth. And in the description, if you have a good description, you'll have your website. But here's some more. It says searches related to how much do movers cost. And these also will make great titles for videos that you can make. So go and do that. All right, so that's how you do that. Right now, so we'll go back to mine, and you can see. So here's purge before move. How to purge clutter fast. And I just got this really simple thumbnail, right? But I went and I did what I just subscribed to you on Google, and I found that purge before your move was a keyword. It was a question that somebody asked. Look how many views it's getting. It's getting 2,700 views almost. Here's another one. Moving rates, 2 men and a truck cost, right? Now I'm stealing the 2 men in a truck, which is thing, but I'm also putting the cost. It's getting me almost 6,500 views. Here's another quick and easy short distance moving tips and tricks, 784 views. Here's one, the cheapest way to move short distance, almost 1,000 views. Cheapest long distance moving options, 9,100 views. How much do long distance movers cost? Almost 3,500. You can see the difference. Now, if we go back up to the top of my page, where we go back and we scroll back, you see that thing. I got one video that's almost literally, it's 10,000 views almost. Here is my subscriber list. I've only got 330 people who have subscribed to this channel, but I'm getting 43,000, almost 44,000 views every 30 days. This is a 30-day total. I'm getting 44,000 views onto my videos. That could range from 1 second to 12 minutes, however long. It doesn't matter how long. That's just how many views my videos are getting in a 28 to 30-day period. That's a lot of views, guys. This is something, that is really, really powerful. That's a lot of people coming in, watching my videos, and then if you go to my videos, you'll see that I have a great description, right? This is the back end of my thing, so feel free to, you can see what I do. Here's my description. Here's the keywords that I post. But let's just go back and to the actual video itself. It'll start up, but we'll just wait for my computer to go. Because we're videoing, so it's taking up some of the bandwidth here, so it's going a little slower than normal. We're going to pause it as soon as it starts up so we don't have to hear the actual video. But guys, good. So there's that. So now we come down and you got to make a description, right? So, right, I got this moving to Mars a bus. And this video was about Elon Musk saying that, hey, people are going to be moving to Mars within the next 6 years. He says within the next year's thing. So I created a video on it. It doesn't get a lot of views, but this video has had 31 views, right? It's had a couple likes. You could see that, but it's got this description in it. It's a pretty good description. The longer the description, the better. But it's got here's the link to the original article, and then here's a link to my blog, which my blog basically has the same thing, and it has this video embedded in it. And then they go to my blog and they read articles in my blog. That then sends them to my homepage and gets them coming in. Now there's another guy that does really, really well. His name's Tommy Mover. And you guys might know who Tommy Mover. He's he's one of my admins on the 7-Figure Moving Academy Facebook page. If you're not a member of that, go to the 7-Figure Moving Academy Facebook page and click to join. There will be 3 questions. Make sure you answer those 3 questions. You will not be allowed into the group without answering those questions. But this is something you can do. All right. Good. But look at this guy. He's only got 84 people subscribe to his videos. Right? That's it. Just 84 people. That's nothing. That's your, you know, that's nothing. But let's look at some of the views that he's had on his videos, right? Whoop, we went to one of the videos. I don't want to do that. Okay, let's go to one of his views. Like here, you know, he's only got, now get this, 84 people. Here's his last one, 77 views. He's had almost as many people view the video within the last 5 days as he's got subscribed to his channel. But here's one, he's got almost 2,000 views to his channel. Here's one, 6,300 views to his channel. 4,000 views to his channel. Here's one that's got almost 7,000. Here's one, 17,000 views to his channel. Guys, how many people are coming to him every single day, every single week, every single month, just because of that one video, right? Here's another one, almost 9,000 views to his thing. And this is his mostly watched thing. And it's only 2 minutes and 53 seconds. It's not a very long video. It's more of a blog style. He's not giving any tips or hints or anything. He's just showing the everyday, behind the scenes kind of stuff about his video, about his moving company. And he's got almost nearly 20,000 people. Hang on, guys. Okay, good. Sorry about that. Making a video, this is what happens. Okay, good. So that's Tommy Mover. And then here's another guy. I thought I saved this guy's channel. His name's Wade Swikel. You guys might have heard of him. He's got 21 videos, 34 subscribers. But his video content is more geared towards helping movers, training movers. So he's not going to get a lot of people coming to his video because of the niche about how many, you know, movers learning and stuff is very small compared to overall. But if he were to actually make videos that answered questions about his moving company, did some behind the scenes, some stuff that was funny and outrageous. Now, just understand, this doesn't relate just to moving business. It could be landscaping, right? So let's go to landscaping. You know, you got here's one, maximizing profit. You know, here's 40 awesome cheap and landscaping ideas from Garden Outdoors. He's got 891,000 views. How many subscribers does this person have? Right? And YouTube is the thing. It's the great equalizer, people. YouTube is a great equalizer. It takes you and makes you, gets you, it puts you right on par, and in some cases, if you do it right, actually ahead of the big name box companies, right, guys? I'm telling you, it's huge. It's a very powerful tool, so we don't need to do it, right? So he's got 107 comments on this. Doesn't say how much his subscribers is. Oh, okay. Oh no, that's his likes. Okay, so that's how many likes. But here's another thing. YouTube is actually now allowing you to put in hashtags. So, you know, you can actually, when you do hashtags, you can actually see these different things. And here's a neat thing too about Google. If you go to Google, right, you Google, go to Google, the search engine, and you go, purge before move. Right? Remember, that was one of my, if I learn how to spell it. Sorry, excuse me. Woo! Purge before move. Now we go in there, and here's the thing. Okay, well, didn't do that one. Well, that's just silly. That makes me look silly. But here's the thing, guys. If I did it right, I should see my video on the first page or within the second page of Google, right? Okay, it's on the second page. Here's my video. It's on the second page of Google. So if somebody does go to the second page, guess what? They're going to watch my video. My video is right there. boom, this is why I'm getting so many. And if you can do it right, and if you get enough backlinks to your thing, you can actually get on the first page of Google, right? So, guys, I just wanted to explain that to you. It's a very simple process. Use YouTube. You could do vlogs